What's going on, everybody? Good morning, good morning. I got one for y'all today. If anybody in the world had to guess where the Queen is, what would be your number one guess? My number one would guess would probably be somewhere eating a cheeseburger. But I think I'm wrong this time. But let's go see where the Queen is, y'all. She said she's driving this thing to North Carolina. We're going to be in North Carolina. Fayetteville Dragway, I think it is. I ain't for sure. I better not be able to open my mouth and see if something ain't right. Let me call Miss Pam and ask her. I'm finna show y'all. Hold on, y'all. Y'all bear with me. I'm going crazy as a bat. Let's see where Queenie at. Here she is, y'all. Let's see if what the Queen doing today. They gonna give her a DWI on the bulldozer. What you doing, Queen? Queen driving the bulldozer. I don't know what Queen got going on, y'all. I don't know if Queen know what she's doing. Queenie might be lost. I got one for y'all. I'm trying to sell something. I'm trying to sell a motor and transmission. Let me go ahead and show it to y'all. I'm busting them rocks down the chain gang. I got a motor for sale, y'all. Good deal on this one, good deal. Good deal for me anyway. Go on here. Got me breathing hard today. It's hot out here. Blood pressure up. I think I might be pregnant. Quit taking that blood pressure medicine. If I ain't pregnant, I might have a chance of getting somebody that way. No telling what y'all see. I don't know what they got going on here. Where the trash at? Where the trash at? Where the trash at? Compare that one to that other one. See how short. I think that one might fit. Put it up to this one right here. We cut the dry shaft in over here. That's close. Ain't it? That's real close. I think that'll fit.
This is bigger. Not this one.
This right here, this is the one, this come out of zip tie.
So everything is bigger. I would use this one if I was going to use any of it.
That's a lot better dry shaft this one is.
Yeah, I know, but I mean everything, unless we took it off and it worked, then...
All right, I'm trying to sell, y'all. I'm trying to sell, y'all. I'm trying to sell, y'all. I'm trying to sell. I don't want to sell the car. I'm trying to sell the motor. I want to keep that little big head joker too. Take the hood off. Hey, Chelsea, are you a slick? Come please take the hood off. I got a motor in here, y'all. I'm trying to sell the motor, transmission, the torque converter, the carburetor, and whatever that stuff is. The lay box stuff. I'm trying to sell. I'm gonna sell I'm gonna get ready to take out this motor, transmission. I'm gonna sell the delay box, transmission, the torque converter, everything on the motor except the headers. I mean carburetor, distributor. I'm even gonna sell this right here with it too. That antique, whatever it is, 780, whatever it is. That's going with it too. We need to put some sponges on there.
Yes, I told me and her was just talking about it.
I'm trying to sell the motor. I'm gonna let y'all crank it up and listen to it. I take $15,000 for the motor, torque converter, transmission, water pump. I'm gonna keep the fuel regulator. A carburetor go with it. That's an alcohol carburetor. Distributor. I'm gonna tell you the story on it. I bought the car last night. The dude told me that he runs 560 with it on a bracket or something. And the dude he bought it from, he said it runs 5.0s or 5.20s. Crank it up. Let him listen to it. I want $15,000 for the motor, intake, carburetor, distributor, water pump, torque converter, transmission, and the delay box stuff. I'm gonna give you every. Yeah, 7AL. Let's go with it too. I think it's a 565 or a 582 or something. Yeah. Crank it up. Want 15,000. Me just see what kind of block it is, cause you know they're gonna ask us what kind of block it is. They're gonna ask a whole lot of questions. I don't know nothing. All I know is a motor. You get motor, intake, carburetor, distributor, torque converter, transmission. The man said it had a good transmission, $3,000 or $5,000 transmission. What he told me. He said it had a good aftermarket transmission. See what the block is. Either a Big M or something, Merlin, Dart, something. I don't know, good timing. Got the little timing belt. All the stuff. I think it's gonna be a gooder one. Look right over here.
He said it's gooder.
I think gonna be a good one. Yeah. How you reach this? In Memphis, what is it? How you reach the street racer? How you get a hold of Miss Pam? Yeah. And then if you wanna, that's how you email her. Tell her again.
StreetRacerJJDoveBall@gmail.com.
That's how you get a hold of Miss Pam. Heather's gonna stay with it. All right. We're gonna be in. Where we gonna be this weekend? Next weekend. June 10th and 11th, y'all. Small tire gonna be Friday night, June the 10th, North Carolina, Fayetteville, North Carolina. Big tire gonna be, I got $35 bounty on that little ugly Parvo right there. $35 bounty, it's going up.
Let's go, I'll double it.
Uh-oh, whoever want it can get it. Fayetteville, North Carolina, here we come. Daily driver, Brian Brick got 981 rules.
Yep.
If you don't got a Pinto with a 4-cylinder, he don't let you in. And you don't forget about a muscle car being in there. You got to have a 28-inch tire. You can't get in, he said. 20-inch. You got to have 20 or 24s. You got to have 24s to get in Brian class, don't you? He ain't letting no muscle car in. The damn muscle car know it got 15-inch tires. Can't tell that fool that, though. It's got QAs on here, too. I'm going to throw in some shocks, y'all. I got these shocks I'm throwing in, too, for $15,000. Whoever wants them, I'm going to put them in the deal. You got a set of QAs. QA rear shocks. I'm going to give them to you, too, for the $15,000. You get 15,000, you get some rear shocks. You get rear shocks, you get a motor, you get the intake carburetor, distributor, water pump. I'm gonna keep that vacuum pump though, because I'm getting ready to put a 396 big block overport heads. Nah, leave that right there on there. That's a 4 flue. That's a good 4 flue. And y'all guess who y'all gonna see in this. I'm gonna let y'all guess who y'all gonna see in. I ain't gonna tell you. So you know. All right. We'll see y'all this weekend. Whoever wants this motor, y'all better get it. Now this weekend we're gonna be racing it. We're gonna be on blue.